Hello and welcome back, creative friends. Today we are diving into the cozy world of felt X-Max crafts. Felt is such a versatile and budget-friendly fabric, and you know very well it's a soft and comfortable for a child and everyone. So it's a soft, cozy fabric, and we will talk about it and make this video beautiful. So viewers, felt is such a versatile and budget-friendly fabric, soft, colorful, and easy to work with. Whether you are making decoration to your home, gifts for loved ones, or even planning a fun family craft, felt is the perfect choice. In this video, I will be sharing some amazing felt Xmas idea that you can make easily at home. So grab your scissor glue and some colorful felt sheets and let's get crafting. Let's start with one of the simplest and so viewers, soft, colorful, and easy to work with whether you are making decorations for your home. So let's start in some colorful felt sheets and let's crafting. Let's start with one of the simplest and most popular crafts, felt ornaments. You can make stars, stockings, snowflakes, gingerbread men, and even mini Xmas trees. Just cut out your favorite shapes, stitch the edges, or use fabric glue. For a magical touch, add sequins, beads, or buttons. Attach a small ribbon loop at the top, and your ornaments is ready to hang on the Xmas tree. These are not only easy but also safe for kids to make, a wonderful family activity during the holiday. And the next is felt wreath. Next up is a felt Xmas wreath. Cut out lots of green felt leaves or petals, glue them onto a cardboard or foam ring until it's nice and full. And little red circle for berries, maybe a big red felt bow at the bottom, and you have a festive wreath to hang on your door. This project looks professional, but it's actually very simple and inexpensive. You can even mix colors, dark green, light green, and white, red to give it a more natural look. Another fun idea we give you, felt Xmas tree and garland miners. Another fun idea is making a felt Xmas tree. Cut green triangles in different sizes and layer them on top of each other to create a 3D effect. Decorate with beads, pom-poms, or glitter for ornaments. This mini tree looks super cute on table shelves or even as a classroom project. And don't forget about felt garland. Cut out stars, stockings, or trees from colorful felt sheets. Use a needle and thread or hot glue to attach to a ribbon or string. Hang the garlands on walls, window, or across the fireplace. Instant holiday charm. Felt is also perfect for making characters like Santa, reindeer, snowmen, or elves. You can create simple flat shapes to hang or stitch them into soft little stuffed figures. These makes adorable gifts or decoration. For something practical, try felt gift bags. Cut two rectangles of felt, sew or glue them together, and add a handle or ribbon. With decorate cutouts, a star tree or bell. These little handmade bags are perfect for candles, chocolate, or small gifts. As you can see, felt is a wonderful material for creating Xmas crafts. It's also affordable, colorful, safe for kids, and gives that cozy handmade touch we all love during the holiday. From ornaments and wreaths to garlands, Santa figures, and gift bags, there are endless possibilities to explore. I hope these ideas inspired you to try something new this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIYs. And let me know in the comments which felt craft are you going to try first. Until next time, keep crafting and have a happy festival. May your home fulfilled with happiness and fulfill of crafting.